Hi there, and welcome to the kitchen. I'm Ian Tyson, passionate home cook, and today with our Brenby Farms white potatoes, we're making classic potato skins. For today's recipe, here's what you'll need. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Pierce your potatoes with a fork all around. Place the potatoes directly on the center rack and bake for 40 to 45 minutes. Allow the potatoes to cool to room temperature. Cut the potatoes in half lengthwise. With a spoon, hollow out your potatoes, leaving about a quarter inch of flesh. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees. Finely chop parsley and chives. To your melted butter, add chives, parsley, garlic, seasoning salt, and pepper. Thoroughly brush the potatoes. Place the potatoes cut side down on a cookie sheet. Cook for 15 minutes and flip. Crisp for 5 minutes. Meanwhile, chop and cook your bacon until crispy. Remove your potatoes from the oven. Add grated cheese and bacon. Bake for an additional 5 minutes. Remove from the oven and prepare to serve. Feel free to add a dollop of sour cream and chopped green onion. A pub food classic, these potato skins are a crowd-pleasing appetizer. Thanks for joining me in the kitchen today. Stay tuned for more recipes with Brenby Farms. Until then, keep cooking.